Parya kun.
Chicken with
Tikman is Ramanam. Is that right, Mama? Ramanam man? Ramanam man? Awanon, naubusan. Ramanam man. Aglutluto ni inang ko ti parya. Parya kun. Parya kun.
chicken with ampalaya and sotanghon.
Because we're making Ilocano and you started saying it in English. So now let's say it in Ilocano now, Mama. I mean, let's say it now in English.
Manok,
Kun parya.
gan parya,
One.
nga addaante,
Adda ko?
tanghon,
Adda auntie?
sotanghon. Danayon na nga sotanghon.
I know auntie is ante.
Look.
Ante. Tia.
More delicious now.
Ramanam man. Ramanam.
Mm,
Ramanak man. Is that correct? Ramanak man. Is that right? Ramanak?
yes.
I'm learning Ilocano too. It's yummy. It's good.